Now again we will take the velocity time graph. This is velocity on the x-axis, time is on y-axis. A body is moving with initial velocity 0. It increases velocity up to 40 meter per second in 2 seconds, and from there it moves with a uniform velocity up to 8 seconds, and then it starts decreasing its velocity and it goes to 0 in 10 seconds. Now if you want to find how much distance is traveled during first 2 seconds and the next 8 seconds and in the next 2 seconds, we can find the distance, and that will be equals to the area under velocity time graph. Area under velocity time graph. Now let's say the distance traveled during the first 2 seconds. So this is the graph which is formed, that is AB, and we have to find this area. And this area is what? This is forming a triangle. So that will be equals to the area of triangle BEA. And all of you know the formula of area of triangle, that is half into base into height. So half, base is 2 and height is this much, that is 40. So this will cancel and that will be 40 meter. So the distance traveled during 2 seconds is 40 meter. Now if you want to find what is the distance traveled during BC, that means from second to 8 seconds, then we have to find this area. And as you can see, it is forming a rectangle. So that will be equals to area of a rectangle, and that is BCFE. And we know the formula area of rectangle, length into breadth. So this is 40 into 40 into, this is from 2 to 8, that means this is 6. So 40 into 6, that is 240 meter. So the distance traveled during the second to 8 seconds is 240 meter. Now when you want to find the distance traveled during CD, that means from 8 seconds to 10 seconds, then again it is forming a figure, that is triangle. So that will be equals to area of triangle CFD, and area of triangle is half into base into height. Base is this much, that is 10 minus 8, that is 2, into height is this 40. So this will cancel. So again it will travel a distance of 40 meter. So during the first 2 seconds it travels a distance of 40 meter. During the second to 8 seconds it travels a distance of 240 meter, and during 8 to 10 seconds it is traveling a distance of 40 meters. So when we want to calculate the distance traveled, then and if we are having the velocity time graph, then we will find the area under velocity time graph. If you want to find the total distance, then we can take the figure trapezium also. Instead of adding these three, we can take a trapezium also to find the total distance traveled.